Apixaban, Eliquis, detailed explanation. NARP1, generic name, brand name, drug forms. Generic name Apixaban is the non-proprietary scientific name of the drug. Brand name Eliquis is the most commonly marketed brand name. Drug class. Apixaban belongs to anticoagulants, blood thinners, direct oral anticoagulants, DOACs, direct factor XA inhibitors. Unlike older anticoagulants such as warfarin, Apixaban directly blocks a specific clotting factor and usually does not require routine blood monitoring. Available drug forms: 2.5 milligrams oral tablet, 5 milligrams oral tablet, may be crushed and mixed with water, apple juice or applesauce if swallowing is difficult. Can be administered through certain feeding tubes when prescribed. Number 2, definition. Apixaban is a prescription anticoagulant used to reduce the formation of harmful blood clots. Normally, blood clotting protects the body from excessive bleeding after injury. However, clots can sometimes form inside blood vessels when they are not needed. These abnormal clots may block blood flow to important organs. Apixaban helps prevent stroke, deep vein thrombosis, DVT, pulmonary embolism, PE, systemic embolism. It is called a blood thinner. Although it does not actually make blood thinner, it reduces the blood's ability to clot. Mechanism of action. Blood clotting occurs through a series of reactions called the coagulation cascade. One of the most important clotting factors is factor XA. Factor XA converts prothrombin into thrombin. Thrombin then converts fibrinogen into fibrin, which forms the framework of a blood clot. Factor thrombin, fibrin clot. How Apixaban works. Apixaban, 1. Selectively blocks factor XA. 2. Prevents thrombin formation. 3. Reduces fibrin production. 4. Prevents clot formation and clot enlargement. Clinical result: less risk of stroke and atrial fibrillation, less risk of DVT and PE. Prevents existing clots from becoming larger. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics. Pharmacokinetics describes what the body does to the drug. A. Absorption. After oral administration, Apixaban is rapidly absorbed from the gastrointestinal tract. Food has little effect on absorption. Peak effect. Maximum blood concentration occurs approximately 3 to 4 hours after administration. B. Distribution. After absorption, the drug circulates throughout the bloodstream. About 87% binds to plasma proteins. Protein binding helps maintain therapeutic blood levels. C. Metabolism. The liver metabolizes Apixaban primarily through CYP3A4/5 enzyme system. Smaller contributions, CYP1A2, CI2C8, CYP2C9. CYP-D, elimination. The drug is removed through feces, 75%, urine. This means severe kidney disease may affect drug clearance. E. Half-life. Half-life, approximately 12 hours. Meaning, after 12 hours, about half of the drug remains in the body. This is why it is usually taken twice daily. Number 5. Uses Apixaban is used whenever prevention or treatment of dangerous blood clots is needed. Common uses: atrial fibrillation. Patients with atrial fibrillation have irregular heartbeats that may allow blood to pool inside the heart. Clots formed in the heart can travel to the brain and cause stroke. Apixaban greatly reduces this risk. Deep vein thrombosis, DVT. A DVT is a clot that forms in a deep vein, usually in the leg. Symptoms: leg pain, swelling, redness, warmth. Apixaban treats and prevents DVT. Pulmonary embolism, PE. A PE occurs when a clot travels to the lungs. Symptoms: sudden shortness of breath, chest pain, rapid heartbeat. PE can be life-threatening. Post-surgical prevention. Major orthopedic surgeries increase clotting risk. Examples: hip replacement, knee replacement. Apixaban helps prevent post-operative DVT and PE. Number 6. Indications. An indication is a condition for which a drug is officially approved. FDA-approved indications. Non-valvular atrial fibrillation. To reduce stroke, systemic embolism. Treatment of DVT. Treats existing clots in deep veins. Treatment of PE. Treats clots in pulmonary arteries. Prevention of recurrent DVT-PE after completion of initial therapy. Post-hip replacement, prevention of venous thromboembolism. Post-knee replacement, prevention of venous thromboembolism. Number 7, contraindications. A contraindication is a condition in which a drug should not be used because risks outweigh benefits. Active bleeding examples: gastrointestinal bleeding, brain hemorrhage, severe trauma bleeding. Since Apixaban prevents clotting, bleeding may worsen. Severe allergy. History of rash, anaphylaxis, angioedema after previous apixaban exposure. Severe liver disease, patients with coagulopathy, advanced hepatic impairment may have excessive bleeding risk. Before taking this medicine, kidney disease. Impaired kidneys may increase drug levels, increase bleeding risk. Liver disease. The liver helps metabolize apixaban. Poor liver function reduces drug breakdown, increases bleeding risk. History of bleeding examples: stomach ulcer, brain hemorrhage, recent major surgery. These require careful assessment. Pregnancy, limited human data exist. Use only if benefits outweigh rating. It is not fully known whether apixaban passes into breast milk. And spinal procedures. Special caution is needed with epidural anesthesia, lumbar puncture, spinal surgery. Bleeding around the spinal cord can cause paralysis. 9. How to use TAC administration. Take exactly as prescribed. Swallow with water, with or without food. Consistency. Take at same time every day to maintain steady anticoagulation. Adherence. Skipping doses increases risk of stroke, DVT, PE. Number 10. Dosing information. Non-valvular atrial fibrillation. Standard dose 5 milligrams twice daily. Reduced dose 2.5 milligrams twice daily if patient has 2 or more. Age 80 years. Weight 60 kilograms. Serum creatinine do 1.5 milligrams per dialyse. DVT and PE treatment. Initial phase 10 milligrams twice daily for 7 days. Purpose, rapid anticoagulation. Maintenance phase 5 milligrams twice daily. Purpose, prevent clot growth. Extended prevention 2.5 milligrams twice daily. Purpose, prevent recurrence. Number 11, misdose and overdose. Misdose, take immediately when remembered. Example, dose due at 8 a.m. Remember at noon. Take it then. Continue next scheduled dose. Do not double doses. Overdose. Excess anticoagulation causes bleeding. Symptoms: nosebleeds, gum bleeding, blood and stool, hematuria, intracranial hemorrhage. Emergency treatment may include activated charcoal, early ingestion, blood products, andexanet alpha reversal therapy. Number 12, stop or avoid taking. Do not stop suddenly. Stopping abruptly can create a rebound increase in clotting risk. Potential consequences: stroke, PE, DVT. How to avoid NSAIDs examples: ibuprofen, naproxen, increased bleeding risk. Excessive alcohol can irritate stomach lining, increase bleeding tendency. Contact sports examples: boxing, rugby, increased risk of serious internal bleeding. Number 13, side effects. Common side effects. Bruising occurs because clotting is reduced. Nosebleeds, usually mild but may become significant. Bleeding gums, often noticed during brushing. Anemia. Blood loss over time may reduce red blood cells. Symptoms: fatigue, weakness, dizziness. Serious side effects: gastrointestinal bleeding. Signs: black stools, vomiting blood. Brain bleeding signs: severe headache, vision changes, weakness, confusion. Requires emergency care. Number 14. Vital information, black box warning. Stopping apixaban without medical advice may increase risk of blood clots and stroke. Medical alert identification. Patient should carry medical alert bracelet, wallet medication card. Before procedures, tell doctors, dentists, pharmacists that you are taking apixaban. Number 15. Other drugs that will affect apixaban. Drugs that increase bleeding examples: aspirin, clopidogrel, warfarin, heparin. Combined use significantly increases bleeding risk. Strong CYP3A4 inhibitors increase apixaban concentration. Examples: ketoconazole, ritonavir. Result: increased bleeding risk. CYP3A4 inducers decrease effectiveness. Examples: rifampin, carbamazepine. Result: increased clotting risk. Number 16, drug comparison. Feature: apixaban, warfarin. INR monitoring, not required, required. Diet restrictions, minimal, significant. Drug interactions, fewer, many. Onset, hours, days. Predictability, high, variable. Routine blood tests, usually none. Frequent. Why many clinicians prefer apixaban: more predictable effect, lower intracranial bleeding risk, no routine INR testing, fewer dietary restrictions. Number 17, patient teaching, what patients must know. Take exactly as prescribed. Skipping doses increases clot risk. Watch for bleeding report. Blood in urine, black stools, unusual bruising, persistent nosebleeds. Injury prevention. Use soft toothbrush, electric razor. Avoid high-risk activities. Inform healthcare providers. Always tell Doctors, dentists, pharmacists before procedures. When to seek emergency care. Call emergency services immediately for severe bleeding, vomiting blood, sudden weakness, speech difficulty, severe headache, major trauma, or falls. These may indicate life-threatening bleeding or stroke. Key nursing point. The most important nursing responsibility for a patient receiving Apixaban is continuous assessment for signs and symptoms of bleeding, while ensuring the patient does not discontinue the medication without medical supervision. Thank you. Have a nice day.